Hello everyone, this is Rohit. Today I'm going to show you how to hack Pokemon Go in India. You don't need a rooted device, you just need to download an app and it works pretty fine in Android versions Lollipop and Marshmallow. So let's get started. The first thing you will have to download Tutu app. Just visit on the website tutuapp.com, tutuapp.com, and here you will see two options. By default it will be on iOS tab. Here it is, so you need to click on the Android, and there the fonts are Chinese, so just hit on this green button to download the APK file of Tutu app. So I've already downloaded that app, so I'll just I'm already done with installing the app. So I'll just open it and I'll tell you how to proceed further. Here is the app, the bunny face, and open the app. The first thing I just forgot to tell you that whenever once you install the app, don't open it. Just go to your settings, and here in the app settings, because this application already access most of your data, like your photos, your gallery, your storage. So just to be secure about that, you just need to go to the app settings. So here I'm using Redmi Note 3, so the UI is little bit different, so I'll tell you how to do that. uh, here here it is. Here is the app. So you can do it in any Android device. Go to the permission manager, and here you can see there is too many permissions it requires. Like it will read your SMS, make phone calls, write, delete SMS. That means it will access your SMS, your contacts, your GPS location, your camera, like your files, your photos. Just accept two things. The one is modify system settings, and another one is display pop-up. And in some devices there is also option of storage, so make sure you enable the storage permission, because if you disable it, it won't be able to download the APK file for Pokemon Go. So okay, so let's get started. I'll launch it from here. Oh, there is no option. Okay, no problem. um, Here is the app. Once you open it, everything is in Chinese font. So there is two tabs, like here, this one and this one. You just don't go anywhere. Here is the logo of Pokemon Go. Click on this green button, download the APK file of Pokemon Go. It is of around 80 MB. So once it is downloaded, I've already done with that, and I already installed the file. If you want, I can show you that. So the file will be like this. The name will be different, around 82. The file size is 82.91 MB. So I already installed it. And one more thing, you also need to allow some permissions for this app also. So again, go to the settings. In the app settings, you need to locate the app Pokemon Go. Here it is. So if you are a Redmi user, like if you have a Xiaomi, Mi, Redmi Note 3, Note 1, any of the device, the UI is bit different. So by default it will disable this permission, that is display pop-up window. So you will need to enable it, else the joystick on the app will not be visible while you are playing Pokemon Go. So just allow some permissions like display pop-up, access camera, get location info. That's it, nothing else. So once you are done with that, just open the app. And one more thing, it will not be able to log in using your Google account. So you will need to create, like for example, whenever you install an app, you will see the option. I'll tell you from the beginning. once you have there are two methods to log in your Pokemon account. One is using your Google account and another is using Pokemon Trainer. So select the Pokemon Trainer. If you are not registered with it, just click on the register button and create a new account. So I'm already done with that. So here is my account. You can see your I just checked your basic current location will be in California, because here you can see there are many Poke shops here, and all are initiated, all are preserved with lure module, due to which you will get too many Pokemons earlier faster. And here is the joystick button. You can move it anywhere anytime, and here is the nearby option. The best method, I like it too much. Like here you can see nearby Pokemons, and if you want to just if you for example if you want to catch this Golbat, just click on it and then select view, so it will show where is that. Okay, if you're able to see here is the logo, so which shows that the Pokemon is there. So the main thing is I need to visit there. Once I'll reach there, here you can see too many Pokemons you can catch. I already found around 40 Pokemons in just 50 or 60 minutes. Here you can see there is in Golbat. Maybe you need to wait for a few minutes, but you will get that. I already tried it. I'm using this from last 2 days and it works fine. Here you can see the Golbat. I just observed that the when you catch in Pokemon, it is not that much smooth as compared to the original app, but it works fine. So I already catch this Pokemon, so I'll just skip this for now. Here are some further menu items here. Like this one is to go for your current location, like which the initial location, and the second option, this one, is if you want to set any specific location, like if you want to visit on your web location, like if you live in somewhere and you want to roam in your place, so you just need to go to the Google map, and you need to take down the coordinations of your locations. So here the example will be like this, the 37.78. so your location will be there. You can get that location coordinations on Google. You can search it anywhere. So you just need to put those details here and then hit this accept button. I already tried it. I don't want to go there because here we can find many Pokemons here. So this is all about that, and I believe you will enjoy playing this, and you will get too many Pokemons, as I found around 122 Pokemons I have, the X Poke shops, and you can do whatever you want. And there is another option for this. If you want to walk, just this option is for run. Like if you want to move faster, you can use this, so it will run. While running through the app, it may ask you if you are traveling, like this pop, you are going too fast. Pokemon Go should not be played with while driving. So here you need to select an option, I am a passenger. So it will count your location. It will count you how many steps you walk. So it will be counting all the things. So it works really good. Here you can see the location. I have already traveled that much, and air is working fine. And the another option is for this car logo. It will move too faster. Like you can see, it is running too faster. I found too many Pokemons here. All Pokestops are with lure models. Here you can see there is a bunch of Poke shops. So definitely you will get too many Pokemons. I've already found too many here. Like you can see, this is my new account. I had another one, but I started for this. This is my new account. So I found this much Pokemons yesterday. So I hope you will enjoy it a lot. For further suggestions, or if you have any questions, just comment it below, or you can note down my email address for my account, and you can email me if you need further help on this. I'll be posting another videos for another tricks and tutorials. Just if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe my channel and help me to help you again. Thank you very much for watching this video.